Welcome. Everyone is an INFINIX Note 12 and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications and find the screen recorder, which for me it is right over here. Once you see it, you can tap on it. It gives you several different toggles. So we have record device sound, microphone, and touches. Obviously check the ones that you want. From there, select start. We'll begin a countdown, and after it, obviously it will begin recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. And once you're done, you can interact with this overlay. Stop it, and it saves your screen recording to your gallery application, I believe. Oh, there we go. AI gallery, I guess. From here we can navigate to albums and screen recordings, and as you can see, it's right over here. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.